What's wrong with this country, Mike? Money, pollution, crime, drugs, poverty, disease. We throw gobs of money at it. Why is that? While I've been stuck here with you, I've learned that everything, including money, revolves not around reality, but the perception of reality.
I can't hear you. Are you doing sneakers dialogue again?
When we get out of here, Mike, I might even be able to crash the whole system. No more rich people. No more poor people. Everyone's the same.
It was just allergies. Let me in.
We're gonna change the world.